Hello everyone.
Then naki shocked to nalwa. Tanzania with balaga. Next I can say we can know Mulam to Tanzania. I'm shocked.
Thabo Bester's mother says she is shocked. She remains baffled. How could he have done all these things? She says she is scared. She says when she heard about all this, she simply doesn't know what to say. She wishes that the surface could open and swallow her. She says she just feels like dying.
But not now. Now I'm sure I will fall through.
She says if they bring him back to the country now, while she wants to see him, she will collapse. She says she has pains in her stomach. She says she never thought her own son would go to this extent. Bester's mother says the first and last time she saw Dr. Nandipha Makutumana was when she wanted to claim a body which authorities already told her was not her son.
Nandipha man this one long time.
She says Dr. Nandipha Makutumana came to her wanting the body, and that was the last time that she saw her. She says she told her that she was married to Thabo.
And then
she says when she initially heard that her son had died in prison, she had asked for his body, and she was directed and she went looking. She says the day that she was to bury him, they told her that the body does not belong to her, but belongs to the government. She says she has now been receiving threats.
Private number.
She says she is now receiving threats. People have been calling her with private numbers, asking her why she is speaking to everyone. She says this is very stressful. She says if she would see Thabo, should ask him for answers. But she says that would probably be her last day on earth. She says she's not safe. She does not sleep. The children in the yard do not sleep either.
It's my last day. I'm not safe. I got to well, sir. But I'm going to say, have a robot, but round to so card.
With so many questions lingering, she says she regrets why she ever went public that Thabo was her son. She says this will be her grave.
This is my grave.